So go to settings, and here you can see a technical menu. Under technical, you have an option to create outgoing mail server and incoming mail server. This is incoming mail server, and here you can see an option to create new one. Click the new button, and here you can add a name, server name. I am setting the name. See the server type. I am selecting the server type IMAP server, and here you can see a server and login tab, and here you can see the username and password. Here you settings your email ID and password. Here you can see a server name, and I'm setting the server name here, and just enable the SSL or TLS and save. After giving the necessary details, you can see a test and confirm button, and here you can see the it is in the confirming state. Go back to the technical, and here you can see an option to create outgoing mail server, and creating a new one. And here you need to provide the server name, and here you can see the authentication method. Under connection tab, here you can see the connection encryption. I am enabling the SSL/TLS, and I am adding the SMTP server name. Here you can see the username and password. You need to provide your email ID here, and adding password. After giving the details, and you can see the priority level, and adding the priority level of your email, and saving. Here you can see a button, test connection, and just clicking the button, and here you can see a pop-up message. After setting the mail servers, and you go to the purchase order and creating a new RFQ. Here I'm adding the vendor and adding product in order lines, and confirm the order. And here you can see the send by email button, and clicking the button and sending the email. And if you have to go to the email, and I'm going to the email that I have configured, just refreshing, and here you can see the email. Clicking the email, go back to the purchase order that you have created. Clicking the email, and you go back to the purchase order. So this is how we can configure the email server in Odoo17. That's all for today. Thank you.